Hello all, welcome to Learn Nutrition and Dietetics channel. Today we are going to see about the topic Glycemic load. So glycemic load means how much quantity of food we are consuming. So quantity matters. So how much we are taking a day is really very important. So we have a question here, how much when you eat a particular portion size of the food, that is how much glycemic load. So let's see the three ranges of glycemic load: low, moderate, high glycemic load. So low means 0 to 9, moderate means 10 to 19, and high means 20 or more than 20. So low means you have the example carrot, apple, honey, sugar, and moderate means white bread, oats, ice cream, and high means potato chips, white rice, raisins. So you have the question here that okay, so honey, sugar is all in the green zone and ice cream is in the moderate zone. So why people are saying nowadays that it's not good to consume the sugar in a regular basis, ice cream in the regular basis? Here the answer is glycemic load. So how much you are taking is very important, and we'll have the very clear answer in the next slide. So we have a calculating method of glycemic load. So how much quantity we are taking. Glycemic load is equal to glycemic index into grams of carbohydrate per serving divided by 100. So types of food are here. From the previous slide I have taken the examples: apple, sugar, rice. So apple has the glycemic index of 38, which are here the serving size 100 grams gives net carbs of 11.5, which has the glycemic load 5.7. Whereas if you are taking 200 grams of apple, automatically you will have the glycemic load of 8.7. And here sugar, which has the moderate glycemic index level of 68, if you are taking 10 grams means 6.8, 20 grams means 13.6, automatically with the 10 grams difference you will get into the moderate zone from the safe zone. So just think about it, how many grams of sugar you are taking per day. Then you can know how much load of sugar you are putting into your body. Next one is rice, which is having a glycemic index in the moderate range of 64, and serving size, if you are taking uncooked rice of 75 grams itself, it leads into the red zone, glycemic load of 38.4, and uncooked 150 grams of rice is about 72 of glycemic load. So totally if you are taking vegetables and fruits in a regular basis, means you will have in the safe zone, that is green zone of your glycemic load. But if you are consuming sugar and other carbohydrate products in a regular basis over a prolonged time, automatically you will end up in the red zone only. So what happens if you are landed up in the red zone means you will have the non-communicable diseases slowly. So you will have the hormonal issues, you will have the obesity condition, and automatically it leads to the diabetes, BP, and all the other hormonal issues. So be safe in the green zone and concentrate on your type of food and as well as in the quantity of food. That is very, very important. So many people choose the types of food but they forget the quantity of food. So quantity also matters while you are having a healthy diet or a good food in your table. Thank you all for watching.